Today we are going to talk about the interesting topic we have never discussed, which has enough potential to make sales over $100 every single day. Here you can see 159, almost 160 million users every single day. It's declining somewhat, but it is increasing. It was increasing from the last year. Here you can see 60% of the people are coming from US, 8% from Canada, and so on. All of them are from the tier 1 country. So you can see the potential of sales you can generate every single day. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Quick Digital Mastery. This is Lucky Basel, and today we are going to talk about how we can sell ClickBank products on using video marketing. Don't worry, you don't need to create any videos. I'll show you how you can promote all of these videos as yourself. Let's dive into the video. Firstly, we are gonna take videos. We can take videos from YouTube. Let's choose the topic with needs we are gonna make. Okay, let's go with weight loss. GST weight loss. Okay, let's weight loss, and let's go to Creative Commons. My internet is a little bit slow, so it's getting time to load. Which video is interesting? Let's go with what losing. No, this one, not this one. Let's go with the first one. It's in the discovering breakfast. Let's see. Wait, let's keto. Keto is the sub niche in health niche. We can see how do we start a keto diet. Okay, let's go with this one. Do I have? Okay, let's click here and copy this link, and let's go to the main idea. This site is called Rumble. Here you can see the interface. Here you can see the views it's getting 735. All of the videos are trending, and you can earn by posting videos in this site. Not only views, also you don't need to sales to make money from this site. You can see upload video. We have to download this video first. Okay, let's go to go and log it. yumate.com. This is the site where we can download that video. Let's paste that link. Download. Okay, download. What is going on? Okay, download. Okay, it's downloading now. Sorry for that type of image which did side showed. Let's upload video. Drag and drop. It's so easy to generate income with this site, and it has enough potential to make 2 to 3 sales at least worth of $100. And you don't need to get sales in order to earn in this site. You just get, if you get enough views, you will earn just like in YouTube AdSense. Let's go with the how to start keto diet. Alright, okay, let's copy it, and let's this one title. Okay, let's go to the and copy this section. Copy and paste the description. Now we need affiliate link to sell, and we are choosing affiliate mm, Clickbank as an affiliate marketplace. Now I'm in the marketplace. Let's say to the fitness, health and fitness, beauty, diet and weight loss. Let's see, 21 days smoothie, custom keto diet. We can see that we can directly promote this link, get the default link, create link, copy it. This is a very ugly image, sorry, link. So we are gonna go to bit.ly and sort this link to make it clickable or beautiful, we can say. Okay, here you can see custom keto diet plan. Let's say get, let's make it more clickable so they click more, so we get more click. Get your custom keto diet plan now. Paste it. It's all done. We don't have thumbnails. We haven't downloaded that thumbnail, so let's get back. Can we save image? Is okay, business. Let's copy it. This is not. Why can't I upload this? Okay, it's not work like this. I have to upload by myself. Let's leave it. Let's talk to the random things. We can use different tags here, such as keto diet, keto, keto diet plan. Okay, let's say weight loss. How to lose the weight. ST. Okay. Schedule video. No, we are not going to schedule it. And before moving to the next part, I want to uh, make sure you have liked and comment in this video, and please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you will get the first notification whenever I upload new videos. And I have linked two sites in the description. One is the link for OLSP system, where you will get free training how to start your online business affiliate marketing for free. We can working on that platform. I'm also working on that platform, and you can directly contact me with that system. And another platform is the best traffic method I'm using to make hundreds of dollars every single day. The second link is for the traffic method, and first link is for the um, training. Let's upload the video. Rumble only, no accessories, excluding YouTube. Okay, let's click the excluding YouTube. Note: when select video management, you are granted Rumble exclusive rights in management. Okay, let's say you have not signed exclusive agreement yet. Click yes. Commit. Taking time. Okay, let it take time. Direct link. These are the links you can promote on other sites. Other sites, you can see our content. Here you can see our video. It's ready to monetization pending. We can see there are different videos I have uploaded. It's the same method and got monetized.